everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosie and I am 10 years old. Today I would like to tell you about a reading of nature. The title is Forces of Nature. Earth is a beautiful planet. Its oceans and lakes, blue skies and rich land give us what we need to live. However, nature also has a very powerful side. It creates forces that can cause great harm to human life and property. Earthquakes. The outside part of Earth is the crust. Under the crust are many pieces called plates. The plates create energy when they move against each other. In an earthquake, the plates release this energy quickly. This energy moves the ground. In strong earthquakes, objects and even buildings can collapse. When an earthquake happens under the ocean, parts of the ocean floor may rise or fall suddenly. This can create a tsunami. A tsunami travels very fast through the water. When it reaches a coast, it pushes huge amounts of water onto the land. This water can destroy everything in its path. In 2011, many people died on the coast of eastern Japan in a large tsunami. Many rescue workers helped the victims of this disaster. Hurricanes. A hurricane is a large violent storm. It forms over warm ocean water and can grow to over 500 kilometers wide. Hurricane winds can blow from 100 to 250 kilometers per hour. When a large hurricane reaches land, it can destroy buildings and homes. The ocean water can rise and create floods. A large hurricane can knock down many trees and hurt plants, fish, and coral along a coast. Tornadoes. Have you ever seen a real tornado? A tornado often looks like a funnel and has strong spinning winds of up to 400 kilometers per hour. These winds can easily destroy homes and trees. An average tornado is about 75 meters wide near the ground, but some can be much larger. Tornadoes often form before a thunderstorm when warm air in the atmosphere starts to spin horizontally across the sky and then vertically toward the ground. North America has more tornadoes than any other place in the world. Blizzards. In cold climates, snowy days are common. However, sometimes blizzards completely cover an area. Blizzards are very dangerous to drive in because drivers can see far away and may lose control of their cars on the snowy roads. Heavy snow can also break power lines and the roofs of homes. People who are outside in a blizzard can get lost, and the cold, windy air can freeze skin that isn't covered up. Blizzards can go on for days, which is dangerous for people who run out of food or need medical care. Luckily, there are warning systems for these natural disasters. People in some countries can receive a message on their cell phones seconds before an earthquake strikes. Tsunami warning systems can give people time to leave the coast and move to a safe place. Modern weather systems warn people about weather conditions that may create tornadoes and blizzards. All of these systems help us prepare for nature's power. That is the end of this reading. Goodbye!